Yo, we were supposed to go to on camera, bro. No, I'm not. We were supposed to go to the club last night. Niggas went to take like a 10-minute nap and bro didn't even wake up. So I feel bad. Brownie, we still love you.
Well, I made it up to her today.
Yeah, we gonna go out today. I don't even do shit like that. I must have been tired for real. That's why I didn't want to lay down.
We need to come in and take a little nap before we go out. Wait,
y'all had all day to take a nap.
I'm talking hours before.
Anyway, y'all, one of my twists came out. Well, I took it out. So, we're about to get it over. Alright, y'all. Day 2 loading. See y'all later. Bye. Yo, let me tell y'all real quick, y'all. I literally did not have no shoes the day before. My package was stuck in my sister Lisa's office. And yeah, so at the end of the day, I ain't had no shoes. So I had to go make it do what it do. So hopefully, whatever I brought, it come to life or whatever. We're going to see how we'll do it. We're going to see how it work, alright? Alright, y'all. We about to go to breakfast. Day number 2 for me. Day number 3 for them. Yeah. You know, it's just a little something. Just a little something. I ain't really had, you know, a little something.
What's today? Thursday?
So let me stop. But yeah, alright y'all. Bye. Hi y'all. Yeah. Alright y'all, so no, this is steamed chicken thigh. Steam.
It is steam.
It says steam.
I gotta say steam.
Oh, I thought it said steam. Okay, and this is beef, and I got breakfast. Yum. I need to. Brie. I'm gonna try. I can't see it on my camera.
They're coming together to pull them apart. One. Alright. 10 years.
These young ladies have me walking to KFC. It really isn't too far. Yeah, so we about to get some KFC because y'all was telling us that. I mean, I don't remember, but y'all was telling us that it's hitting. So we try and hit.
This KFC better make my coochie jump when I bite into it.
That's how they making it seem like.
It better hit. If not, I could have fried my own fucking chicken in the room.
She keeps talking about fried chicken in the room. That girl tripping. They got us crossing streets on the opposite side of the street. We don't know what we doing. Yo, we made it to KFC. They probably like, what the fuck is this bitch doing? These lines have been ridiculous. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. So what? It's not that bad, the line.
Yeah, it's not. But still.
Alright, y'all. So we went to KFC. We waited in line for a whole hour. Well, we waited in line for maybe like 45 minutes. Then we waited like for our food for maybe like 30 minutes. But anyway, it was like an hour and change. And we about to test it, y'all. How it tastes? Y'all already tried it over there?
Yeah. I tried fries.
Fries giving bland, but I'm ready to try this.
It tastes like back home. The fries taste like back home fries. The biscuit tastes like...
This is a big ass piece of chicken though, look.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
She got steroids in it.
Zebra legs. Yeah. Oh, I'm out of corn.
I really honestly don't understand the hype. I thought this shit was gonna taste like crack cocaine a little bit.
The way they talk about it on Instagram and TikTok.
Man, day 2. I don't know. Alright, y'all, so we're on our way to our boat ride. Day 2 for me, day 3 for them. We have our tour guide waiting for us already. He recording me and I'm recording him. What's up? Hi, y'all. Come on.
Defend me from my enemies and my neighbor.
Yo, we is waiting to get off this dock. You hear me? We ready to party. Let's go, y'all. Let's get the first seat. We getting the first seat. We'll take pictures and videos for you. The first one's on this bitch. We wasn't the first ones to come, but we the first ones entering. Hey, y'all, pick the best view, my girls. My girls.
For today, the Island Dreamer. And I thank you all for choosing Jamaica Catamaran. So I'm going to try and make this one of the best tour ever. Yeah, man?
Yeah, man!
Alright, attention to my 2 crew members right here as they demonstrate the correct way to wear the life jacket in case of an emergency. Alright, so first the life jacket is placed over the neck with the split portion to the front, strap around the waist, under your arm, and then you buckle. To get the jacket tied, ladies and gentlemen, you pull on the frame right here. Did everyone see that?
Yes.
No, we in Jamaica, what do we say?
Yeah, man.
Come on. Alright.
I'm still in love with you,
Everybody okay? Everybody comfortable, right? Okay, what you need? You want me to change it for you? Get you something different?
Yeah, I'm gonna think about it.
You'll think about it?
Yes.
K.O. Water?
Hey. Yeah. We right. I'm about to jump in the water. I'm not snorkeling. I'm allergic to fish, even though I know it's not the same. I don't give a fuck. I'm just gonna jump in and jump out. Something now is taking over me. I'm not gonna run now. It's raining so bad. It's raining so bad. We didn't even get to get in water yet.
Neon lights, sweet as Jesus, please be to neon lights. Romance on peace inside the one beautiful day. Tell red wine, you go to heaven and then baby to hell. Sneak out of me and bring it back to
baddie.
Yep. What we do? Which one we
Hurry
doing?
up so he can get us.
Yo, which way we do? Batty shot
Hurry
o'clock.
up, he recording.
Okay.
He driving.
Up to it, down to it. Fuck those who don't do it. We do it cause we used to it. Now drink, motherfucker, drink.
Do this shit, baby.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday, happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Don't get fuck it up in the worst way. One time for the birthday, bitch. Two times for the birthday, bitch. Three times for the birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your birthday, bitch. Blase is her name. I'm hoping I can make you mine.
For another man steals your heart.
No fucking day jobs, all right? Quiet.
Come on, give it up for State 45. Now we gonna move right along. Here comes the one and only Usain Bolt. Come on, show some love for the man Usain. With the beat, everybody, let's go. Yeah. Go Usain. Yeah. Go Usain. Yeah. Hey, I wanna see what you can do within 5 seconds. You got 5. We got a beautiful lady Keisha, come on from DC. Yeah, man, that's contestant number 1. Lady number 2. Name it where you're from.
Hi guys, I'm LeVay. I'm from Baltimore.
Beautiful lady representing 4. Be more. Now, lady number 3. How you doing? I'm doing great. Give me 5. Damn. It's the alcohol. It's your birthday. Now on 3 we gonna say happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. The birthday girl, what is your name? Come on, you heard a beautiful lady Lynette from Texas, and she said everything is big in Texas. Okay, she said it. Now, lady number 4, name it where you're from. We got the lady Lisa from Delaware. Show some love for the lady. We got on. And I don't know, but the ladies, they're getting all the support. Now, we gonna see what's going on to the cool guys. Now, name it where you're from. We got a man Jerry from Philadelphia, PA. Come on, show some love for Pennsylvania. Yeah, man. Oh, they like you. Like you got a lot of friends with Facebook. Now, jet number 2. Name it where you're from.
My name is Jabir. I'm from New Jersey.
We got Jabir from New Jersey. Show them up for New Jersey. You're represented. Now, name it where you're from. It's your birthday. Just calm down. Cool? Now, you're going to spell for me the word love in Spanish. What is the word love in Spanish? Come on, hurry up. Come on, if you gotta help them out. You gotta do all. And it's going on to the James Show from Love guys. 1 point. You spelled it first, but they sit down first, okay? Now, calm down. You got a point. You gotta let them feel like they're gonna win. Cool? 1 point each. Stand up. Hey guys, get it together, okay? The ladies, they ain't playing with y'all. Now, whenever you're traveling from country to country, what do you do with your cell phone? Whenever you're traveling from country to country, what do you do with your cell phone? Hey, the ladies, pick the letter up. The ladies, don't let me keep y'all. You better pick it up. Come on, ladies, you got it. And it's going on. 2, go. I don't know. My audience, somebody talk to me. Who got it first? Wait, okay? 1, 2, 3, make it fly. The man, you sure? Guys, what do you think about that? No, we asked them which gender they think lies the most. And they said the guys, what y'all think? I'm not gonna lie. You guys are correct. The guys, we tell all the lies. Now, question number 2. Which gender is the better liar? Who is the better liar? Come on, talk to me now. And it's the ladies, and I like how you own it. Lady number 3, you're up. Cool? Now she looks so shy, like she never tricked before. This is gonna be so good. Take a cup. Wait, give me that one. It's just too little bit. You need one with a lot. There you go. Go on over there. If it's a shot, it's gonna burn you. Let's see the best poker face you can do. 1, 2, 3, shot. Oh wow, wait, hold on. Wait, you okay? Beta. And she just open and swallow. Oh no, she did that. Now, guys, what do you think? Vodka or water? Well, lady, I think you throw them off. Good job. Oh, 5 seconds, I forgot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Vodka. And that was, well, the guys here go with vodka. And the answer is wrong. That was a shot off water. Here you go. Yeah, you, come on up. Oh, we got this for dramatic. Come over here. You do something else. Now turn around. Always put it on the show. You ready? Now ladies, look into the eyes, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, shot. Halfway. You know me, I'm just a cool. I got the walk. And he said y'all ladies will never get it right. That's how you do it. 5 seconds on the clock. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time. Ladies, what do you think? Water? Vodka? Which one? Vodka. You okay? Or you thinking? I think the shot is letting you slow it down. Oh, the guys, they lie so much you don't know what to believe. And he's so dramatic with it. What else do you want to say? I want you to say one more thing. Apparently you know that now. Oh, you got a bump on stage. I'm going to see what you got. Aaron, here we go. Oh, she was right. Oh, wait a minute. Birthday girl, how the hell did you put 2 legs on the DJ booth? You're 51 and you put both legs up. Okay. Now, we're gonna vote. Let's see who will be getting this 1 point. My audience, and you gotta be fair, okay? If you think the dance off is going and gone, to the gents, make some noise. Wow. Oh, wow. And you guys are so savage. That show that you put on, reiterate, if you think the dance off is going and gone, till the beautiful ladies make some noise. Okay. Alright. Now, that's the end of the game show. Now we're gonna check the points and we're gonna see which gender got the most points. Okay, now is the time. So we got 4 prizes on the line to give away to the winning gender tonight, ladies and gents. Now, fear to say, walking away with the entire game show, it is not going and gone. It is going and gone to the beautiful ladies. To show some love for the gents, just to say that came out and they made it fun. Yeah, so thank you guys so much. You're free show. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, Mr. Cool. Thank you so much. Now, ladies, we got prizes. Now you can choose whatever you want. We got the Jamaican liquid Viagra. If you want to take this Viagra and take it back home, do whatever you want to do with it, you can choose. And we got real loaded Jamaican bags, okay? Yeah, man. Thank you guys so much. And for the final time, ladies and gentlemen, show some love to the winners, the ladies of tonight's game show. Now I'm going to take a high five. You did great. And happy birthday again. And thank you so much. Yeah, so you ladies are free to go.